Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you all how to hide your favorites on TikTok. I show you some privacy about your TikTok account settings. So first of all, you should open up your TikTok, then go to your profile, tap on profile at the bottom right corner, and then tap on settings main menu, tap on three little lines at the top right corner, then go to settings and privacy, and here you will see privacy. And now we can scroll down and you not find any favorites privacy about your account. That means you can't change favorites because by default, as you can see, here is section favorites. Here if you tap on favorites, it's hide by default. That means you not need to hide your favorites on TikTok because it's hide already, and you not need to worry about that because your favorites by default on TikTok is hide and it's private information on your TikTok account. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.